Hi, here's how to create an ink usage report per PDF, and this is by the dimensions of the page as well. So to do this, you need rapid PDF count 8. There's a download in the description of this video. Once that's installed, what you do is you get your PDFs, highlight them and drag and drop them into the software. Now you can do this from file menu as well, add individual files or scan directory files. Once you've done that, you click on Setup Options. Now you need to check Page Size Counting and Ink Coverage checkbox here. And that's it. Save and exit. Now Page Count Files in List. So that's now done. So scroll to the end and you can see that ink coverage is here for each PDF. Here's how to create the custom report. So you're going to Report Scripts, Run, Create, Save Scripts in all files. Now I want to actually output a CSV file here. So I'm going to put it in double quotes. So to do this, you do double quote. In this case, I'm just going to do file title. You could do the whole file path if you wanted to. Select that and then click Insert. Double quote, comma, double quote. Now I'm going to do the width of the page. This is in millimeters. And then I'm going to do the height. Right. And then I'm going to do the ink coverage. So this will output this information for every file to a CSV file or a text file or whatever you want. So I'm going to save the script for later use. Call it ink. So you could just in future just load that script rather than typing it in again. Now I'm going to click Create List. So I'm going to call it test.csv. So that's created now. So I go into the folder. You see test.csv there. Double click on it. It will now open in Excel. And you can see now you've got a report of each of those files and the dimensions, width and height, and the ink percentage used. So it's that simple to do. Now you can add other calculations to it to do costing and so on. That's it. Give it a try.